What if the reality you've always known is just the tip of a cosmic iceberg? What if there are other dimensions beyond the three we're familiar with? And what if our existence is not confined to just these three dimensions? Welcome to the fascinating world of dimensions, a concept that challenges our understanding of reality and existence. To begin with, dimensions aren't something out of a science fiction novel. They are fundamental aspects of our reality. But what exactly is a dimension? Simply put, a dimension is a direction in which we can move or measure something. We live in a three-dimensional world, with dimensions being length, width, and height. We can move back and forth, left and right, and up and down. These are the three dimensions we are familiar with. But what about time? Isn't it a dimension too? Indeed it is. Time is often considered the fourth dimension. It's different from the other three because we can only move in one direction in time, forward. We can't go back in time, at least not yet. So we exist in a four-dimensional universe, with three spatial dimensions and one of time. But what if there are more dimensions? Some theories, such as string theory, propose that there are actually 10 or even 26 dimensions. These extra dimensions are not something we can perceive or interact with in our daily lives. They are compact and hidden, or maybe our brains are just not wired to perceive them. So why do we fall into lower dimensions? The concept of falling into lower dimensions is a metaphorical one. It's not about physically moving into a two-dimensional or one-dimensional space. Instead, it's about simplification, about reducing complex problems to simpler ones. For instance, when dealing with a complex three-dimensional problem, it might be easier to first understand it in two dimensions. Now let's summarize what we've discussed. We live in a three-dimensional world, but time gives us a fourth dimension. Theories propose that there could be many more dimensions, although they remain hidden from our perception. The concept of falling into lower dimensions is a tool for simplifying complex problems. So, the next time you find yourself stuck in a dimension, remember, it's not a limitation but a perspective. And who knows? Maybe one day we'll find a way to explore these hidden dimensions. But until then, keep questioning, keep wondering, because that's where the real adventure lies.